In this video, we will demonstrate on how to replace a D-ring cable. We suggest searching with an online retailer as they often have an exact match or a very close substitute that can be shipped directly to the consumer in a short turnaround time. Start by positioning the recliner where you have access to all three connection points. First, remove the pressure fit retainer clip that's attached to the side of the mech. It's a very tight fit and you'll likely need to use pliers to remove it. Next, remove the end of the wire from the actuator. Next, remove the two Phillips screws that hold the clip on the side of the piece. To install the new cable, just reverse the steps. Start by fastening the Phillips screws in the old holes you just removed them from. Then take the cable and feed it through the hole in the actuator. Make sure that the cable is on top of the actuator when completed. Now, take the retainer clip, find the hole in the side of the mech, and then you're going to press firmly until the retainer clip clicks into place. Finally, position the recliner back on the floor, then test out the pull cable.